Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe After Effects for background removal with Rotobrush, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe After Effects for background removal with Rotobrush, first, ensure that you have Adobe After Effects installed on your computer. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project by selecting New Project from the home screen. Import the video file you want to edit by clicking on File, then Import, and selecting File. Drag the imported video onto the timeline to create a new composition. With your video selected in the timeline, go to the toolbar and select the Rotobrush tool. Double-click on the video layer to open it in the Layer panel. In the Layer panel, use the Rotobrush tool to draw a line along the subject you want to isolate. As you drag the brush, After Effects will automatically detect the edges of your subject. Once you have outlined the subject, press the spacebar to preview the footage and ensure the selection is accurate. Adjust the selection as needed by holding down the Alt key to erase any unwanted areas or using the Rotobrush tool to refine the selection. When you are satisfied with the selection, navigate to the timeline and move the playhead forward to the next frame. After Effects will analyze the motion and automatically apply the Rotobrush effect to the entire sequence. Continue to refine your selection frame by frame if necessary. Once you have finished, return to the main composition by clicking on the Composition tab. To remove the background, create a new solid color layer by clicking on Layer, then New, followed by Solid. Choose a color for the background and click OK. Place the solid color layer below your video layer in the timeline. This ensures that your subject is on top of the new solid background. You can adjust the edge feathering and other settings in the Effect Controls panel to improve the overall look. Finally, render your project by going to Composition, then Add to Render Queue, and configure your render settings. Click on Render to output your video with the newly isolated subject. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.